Hi my friends, this new tutorial is also for the absolute beginners. From now on you have to use the general index table .xls as you already learned in tutorial number 004 and select gradual tutorials for parts, assemblies, simulations, FEA and so on. Go ahead and enjoy. Today we model this part with the name Universal Joint Cross, having this drawing. Let's start. New standard millimeters IPT, new sketch on XY plane, then I draw a rectangle because I want to create this core feature with dimensions diameter of 27 and distance between these two is 88 minus twice 24. We don't have here a dimension and we have to respect the drawing by using expressions, not calculating by heart dimensions. So this is 88 minus twice of 24. This means 40. Then we place the center point, the midpoint to the center point. We apply here center line and the diameter of 27. Finish sketch, revolve. Okay, now we have the first volume. The other one is placed also on XY plane, F7, using the same procedure. This is 88 minus twice of 24. This means 40. I know this is 40, but I apply an expression. Be careful with respecting the drawings, my friends. Center line, its midpoint must be placed on the center point, and this is 27. Dimension in the drawing. Finish sketch, revolve. Okay, you can see that here is a radius of 6. This means fillet. I select an edge, I apply 6, then 6 on each edge. You see the body of this part. We continue with this extrusion with dimensions 30 on 30 on 21. Yes, good. We create a plane based on this one at a distance of 21 divided by 2. Then we use it for a new sketch. F7. We draw a rectangle with equal sides. This is equal with this, and 30 is the dimension. I draw a line between two corners, opposite corners. I made this as a construction line, and I place the midpoint of this diagonal identical with the center point or projection of the center point. We have a fully constrained sketch. Finish sketch, extrude, cut the other direction all the way. Okay. Visibility, and we apply mirror. We mirror this feature about this plane. Okay. Then this arm, cylindrical arm, 24 on 21, channel of 120, and chamfer 1 at 45. The plane is XY. F7. I project this face and I draw lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a center line. Dimensions 21, 24, 2 dimensions needed. Other dimension is 20. This line, diameter of 20, and this is 1. Finish sketch, revolve. Okay, then I apply a chamfer of 1. Okay, and you see that there is a channel here with dimensions of 2 millimeters and a depth. No, here is the definition. This is 2 millimeters and this is 1. Okay, this is the face. I project a circle. I draw a rectangle based on this circle. The rectangle has a diagonal. I draw that diagonal as before. This is a construction line, and I place the midpoint of the diagonal over the projection of the center point. This dimension is 2 millimeters. Finish sketch, extrude. This is the area with cut on 1 millimeter. Okay, Now we have to repeat this construction made of 3 features around this. We use the circular pattern. I cannot select only this. I select this and the companions. What is the axis? The axis is Z. Z. How many cylinders? 4. Okay. Good. Now we create this hole with a counter bore, diameter of 6, depth of 5 and diameter of 2. We select this face. If you don't see this point, you can project the center point to have it here. Finish sketch and apply counter bore placed on this point. Dimension 6, 5 and 2 millimeters is the last. Okay. Good. The last features are these 2 holes through all the part with diameter of 2. We select this. We select the tool hole. We select this face, this center, 2 millimeters, not counter bore but striped, and the diameter is 2. Okay. Once again, I select the face, I select the center, and okay. This is the part, my friends. Let's see what is the volume. Properties, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new value is identical with the previous one. Cancel. We don't save this new since we have an identical one. We go to the part, we select the material, steel wrought, and we have this aspect. I select some faces. I press the shift key on the keyboard to apply polished, steel polished. Okay. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.